Hey, it's Tamara T. I've been posting YouTube videos like this on my YouTube channel for 8 years, and today I want to share with you how I was able to make $45,000 in 60 days with no audience from this channel. If you have been a longtime subscriber, then you probably are able to reverse engineer everything I've been doing the last few years. But if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to learn how to make money on YouTube with no audience. Not only was I able to make $45,000 in 60 days, but I've generated over 8 figures from YouTube. By the end of this video, you will learn exactly how to do the same, and there's no new skill that you need to learn, okay? Now, I am currently trying to get over a cold, so if I sound a little stuffed up, I do apologize in advance. But let's first get started on how I got started on YouTube in the first place, because a lot of you watching this, you probably have never imagined to be a YouTuber. That was never in my plan, but this happened organically. And after I made my first sale from YouTube, I was hooked, and I've been doing the last few years. People can make so much money on YouTube from skills that they already currently have. So I got pushed into making YouTube videos, and this is how it happened. When I got fired from my 9-to-5 job in 2017, I started an e-commerce business. Okay, I was researching how to make money online because I wanted to stay home. I wanted to have a family, and it's expensive, right? Going to a regular 9-to-5 job just wasn't cutting it for me. I wasn't making enough money. I was always wanting to have financial freedom. And I knew that having a regular job wasn't going to provide that for me. So when I got into e-commerce, I started joining a lot of Facebook groups around that niche. And the niche that I got into was Amazon FBA. So basically, I was learning how to sell physical products on Amazon's marketplace. And I've been doing that for 5 to 6 years. The last 2 years, I've transitioned to different online business models. I'm not going to talk about it in this video, but that was a major part of my success. It was starting Amazon FBA businesses. So when I got involved in online communities and I was chatting with other people, they knew that I had a skill, and my skill was making money starting e-commerce businesses. I knew how to do it. I was making 7 figures in my e-commerce business, and I knew that I can teach other people how to do the same. So when people reached out to me on social media, on Facebook and Instagram, they were asking me questions on how they can start successful Amazon businesses as well. And at first, I did not want to teach. I didn't want to coach anyone. I was pretty content just having my Amazon business, but I knew that I wanted to grow, and I knew that I had value to share to the world. I knew that if someone were to learn from me, then they can make money as well. So it was a win-win situation. So what I'm trying to say is that you can take any skill set that you have and turn that into an online business by using YouTube. For example, if you have a successful marriage, if you have met the love of your life and you are happy and you know how to attract a significant other, to get married, to have a family, then you can show someone how to do that. You can guide them through having a successful relationship, guide them through dating, guide them through having a happy, fulfilling marriage. There's so many things that we are good at that we probably don't even know. And it doesn't need to be technical. It can be technical. So let's say you have a degree in nutrition and you have a passion for nutrition. You can teach other people how to get healthy, how to get fit. Maybe you enjoy going to the gym. You can teach other people how to get a 6-pack, how to lift weights, how to slim down, how to do cardio. The ideas are endless. So this is exactly what happened. I got good at starting e-commerce businesses. So I took that skill and I shared it on YouTube. If you go back to my videos in the very beginning years ago, it's so cringy to watch, but it shocked me because when I was able to coach others how to start e-commerce businesses, everyone came to me to ask for help, and they were willing to pay a fee to get me to help them. So I was doing online consulting, I did one-on-one coaching, I've sold online courses, and that's when I thought to myself, this is a real business. I can generate 6 figures and eventually scale to 7 figures. And then it became 8 figures from YouTube with no audience. All it took to get started was putting myself out there on YouTube. Okay. So after I joined online communities, and by the way, there are so many online communities that you can join around a specific niche. So if we take the fitness niche, for example, you enjoy going to the gym and you want to help someone get fit. If you just research on Facebook different communities and you type in how to lose weight, how to lift weights, how to get a 6-pack, all these different online communities will pop up. So you can join those communities and post to those communities, get involved with it, and people will organically ask you for advice. If you have valuable information to share, you can organically post on social media. You don't have to run any advertising, and people will naturally ask you how you were able to achieve that goal, how you were able to get fit, how you were able to lose weight. Just like how people reached out to me and asked me, how were you able to find winning products to sell on Amazon? So after I recorded my first video, it was just like an introduction of myself. People were hooked. They started sharing my videos with their friends. They found it valuable. They learned something. And then it all became like this full-blown online business. People were watching my videos and they were going through my sales funnel to book a call with me so I can coach them. And that's how I got paid, by posting content on YouTube. You see, I wasn't making money from YouTube by promoting other people's products. I wasn't making money on YouTube by monetizing my channel because I know that's not going to get me anywhere long term. Yes, there are YouTubers who do it that way and they promote products, they promote other people's services, but I don't believe in that because after making 8 figures on my channel and from Instagram and just organic sources on the internet, this is the faster and easier way to do it. I didn't have to do much advertising at all. The only ads that I've ran to promote my online consulting business was retargeting ads. And that means that people who have already visited my channel, they have already interacted with me, and I would create ads and put my offer in front of their face again. So if you are someone who wants to learn how to make unlimited amounts of money on YouTube using skills that you already have, then check out my free training in the description below. I will walk you through step by step how I started my own online education business using YouTube and using organic traffic. This is something that you can get started on today and scale to 6 figures in your first year. There's no other online business model that will allow you to do this because a lot of other types of online businesses require upfront capital, right? So for example, when I was teaching the Amazon FBA business model, sellers needed to invest upfront. They needed to buy products upfront, right? Or if you were to start any brick and mortar business, you need to invest heavily upfront. But when you're starting an online consulting business and you're selling your own skills on YouTube and you're trying to get organic traffic, you're working with people online, there's nothing you need to invest in besides a software, a CRM software, and a funnel software, right? Which is like an all-in-one. I talk more about that in my training. Again, the link is in the YouTube description below. You can also book a one-on-one call with me after you go through the training, and I can walk you through the entire process. So right now, I have friends who make over $100,000 per month by teaching something that they already know to their audience on YouTube. So I have one friend, he's in the dating niche, and he has experience with picking up girls, okay? He's a guy that has years and years of experience when it comes to dating. So he helps men attract their significant other. He helps men get back into the game of dating. So he teaches this online. He has an online community. He has an online course, and he promotes that on his YouTube channel. And everything for him comes organically and naturally. And it doesn't feel like work. Like this doesn't feel like I'm working right now. I'm just sharing with you value that I already have. This is something that I'm passionate about. So with my friend, the same applies. It's not like he's working every day. He's just posting videos on YouTube, and everyone starts from zero, okay? You don't need a large audience to do this at first, because if you are sharing valuable information and you are helping others, people will naturally gravitate towards you. Now, I also have another friend who teaches people how to day trade, and he makes over $250,000 per month on YouTube, all organically. So my friends were able to generate this crazy amount of money all by choosing a specific niche and posting videos on YouTube. So when you're thinking about doing this, I want you to think about something that you are already good at. You don't need to be an expert. For example, if you are teaching someone about fitness and how to lose weight, you don't need to be part of the Olympics in order to teach that, right? Like, I'm teaching you about business, but there are so many more successful business people out there. Can they teach you as well? Yes, but I'm just teaching you what I know. And this was how I was able to attract an organic audience. You can make money on YouTube as a professional. Let's say you are a lawyer and you want to get more clients. Well, you can post videos about what you help your clients with in your practice. The ideas and the niches are endless. So don't get stuck with choosing a specific niche. Instead, choose something that you are good at and that you are passionate about. Now, how was I able to make $45,000 in 60 days? Because that seems like a short amount of time, right? So basically, all I did was, after I created my first video on YouTube and I gained some traction, people were sharing this video with their friends. I already had like a group of online friends that I was sharing my videos with. Because remember, I joined online communities on Facebook around the Amazon FBA business model. So when people reached out to me, I was sending them my YouTube videos. I said, hey, you need help with product research? Watch this video. You need help with choosing suppliers in China? Watch this video. And they just started to share my videos. And that's how I got noticed. That's how I got clients. And in my YouTube description, I created a sales funnel, taking someone from the very beginning as a cold lead, as a cold viewer, and training them up by offering them a free video. And they were able to purchase my online course at the end of that video. Now, that was how I started, but eventually I evolved and I moved on to one-on-one coaching. I also did group coaching. I've had so many different types of online coaching programs teaching people how to start e-commerce businesses. So you have a channel that attracts the right audience in your niche, and you attract those people by having a link in your YouTube description. Just like the link that I have in my YouTube description right now, that teaches you how to make money on YouTube, starting your own online consulting business around a skill that you already have. The first part is you will enter your name and your email address. So that is how I can communicate with you via email, right? If I don't have that, if I don't have like an opt-in page, then I can't communicate with you. Like, there's no way I can communicate with you right now just having you watch this video. I need to have your name and your email and possibly your phone number so I can text you. After that, the sales funnel consists of a video. So this video is a training video around how you can become an online consultant and how you can start an online coaching program and sell it for yourself on your own YouTube channel. Now, if you have a YouTube channel helping someone how to lose weight, then your training video is about how to lose weight, right? After a viewer watches that video, they will be presented with an opportunity to purchase something from you, whether it's an online course, joining your online community, or group coaching, whatever it is. So I was able to generate $45,000 within 60 days because I heavily promoted my coaching program on YouTube. Not only YouTube, I eventually expanded onto having my own Facebook group, and then I started my Instagram account and I started promoting there as well. But YouTube alone, when I had my own online community on Facebook and I got in contact with all these people who were already interested in learning from me, I just sent them to my YouTube channel. They clicked on the link in my YouTube description and they purchased my program. It was as simple as that. And that happened within 60 days. So when I launched my program, I wasn't afraid to tell people like, hey, like, I have this training that's able to help you start a successful Amazon business. Just like if you were in a different niche, like, hey, I have this program that's able to help you attract your significant other. And as you continue to post videos on YouTube with no audience, eventually the YouTube algorithm knows what you're talking about based on your title, right? So if you're posting a video about how to attract your significant other, that's going to be in your title. And I'm not going to get into the topic of SEO and YouTube algorithms right now because I'm not an expert in that field. But I mean, just starting out, I was just making videos about starting Amazon businesses and helping people with product research. I was able to generate this crazy amount of money because people just kept sharing my videos. And this was all due to the fact that I was providing valuable information. I was helping others on YouTube. So year after year, after doing this for 8 years, I was able to generate 8 figures. And I'm not talking out of my ass. You can check my Instagram. You can check all the videos I've done in the past. I've gotten awards from ClickFunnels from doing this. And I know that you can do it as well. So if you need help with making money on YouTube with no audience and you want to start your own online consulting business, then I have a training for you in the YouTube description below. I'll see you in my next video.